subscribe to Jason's channel. I'm Alan Hayden, the Lawn Care Nut. Subscribe to Jason's channel.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Hope you're having a kick-ass day. Today's video, I'm going to show you how I put stripes in my lawn. There's a few tips and tricks on how to do it. Let's get started. So maybe right now isn't the best time to be doing this video, but it's all the time I got. Now, I'm saying it might not be the best time because it's just about noon, and that means the sun is right over the top of us. It is a little bit south. My house faces north-south. So one of the tips is to put the stripes away from the sun. So you want to have the sun at your back the way you're mowing. Does that make sense? Let's get started. All right, so I went and mowed a few passes. The sun is to my back, so it's over my shoulder basically. That's how you're gonna get these sweet looking stripes. Now the reason why it stripes like this is basically because the weight on the back of the mower bends the grass blades down. So this one right here is bent down away. This other one is bent towards us. This works a lot better on a cool season lawn just like this. All right, let's take a look at this, huh? Looking pretty good, huh? I like it. I've never really done this kind of design before where I stop and then go. You might ask yourself, how do you make it look like you run through things instead of, you know, making a big circle around it? Well, here, this is how you do that. As soon as you hit one side of it, and I was going this way, you want to keep going that way around your obstacle. That way when you're done, it looks like you went right through it. Dang, this is looking good, huh? Let's check out some other angles. See, the sun is up there. When I don't have the sun behind my back, the stripes are not as pronounced. Let's take a look at it from the road. You can still kind of see them, but they just don't look as pronounced. Still looking good though. So when you want to take your money shot pictures, you want that sun to your back. All right, I'm gonna finish up mowing. All right, so we got the front down. All right, I got the front done now. I'm gonna go move the little side strip over here. Let me show you why I went with the Lawn Stryper instead of the Big League Lawns striping kit. This is the reason why I went with the Lawn Stryper instead of the Big League Lawns one. So I can just pop this bad boy off. Maybe. Put it aside and mow my other areas. Because I don't always want to be striping my lawn. Sometimes I mow it a little wet. I don't want it to stick down in there. Sometimes I'm just lazy and I don't care about stripes. I had a cow joke in one of my last videos, so let's do another one. What do you call a cow with only 2 legs? Lean beef. Alright, so done with the side yard. I had the striping kit off for the side yard, and now I'm in the back. Now I can put that striping kit back on. I'll go around and get all the edges first, and then we'll see what we can do back here. Sometimes it's fun to do, you know, diagonals, straight stripes following the patio. Sometimes it's cool to go around the pool. I like curves. Them stripes though, huh? Looking good. Another tip when trying to mow straight lines is you don't look right in front of you. You know, where the wheels are on the mower, you don't look right there. You look ahead. You pick a spot and you walk to that spot. Something my great-grandfather taught me way back in the day. So that'll do it for this video. If you like stripes, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you don't like stripes, make sure to subscribe. Subscribe anyway. Just do it. See you guys in the next video.